Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use a QR code to track attendance. We'll do this using Google Forms, and the method is simple. You create a Google form for attendance and then turn it into a QR code. First, open Google Forms and create a new form. Add fields like name, class, roll number, or anything you want students to fill in. Once the form is ready, click on Publish. Copy the URL and make sure to toggle Required so students can't skip the form. This ensures that all required information is submitted. After copying the URL, go to QR Code Monkey. You can use other websites as well, but this is the one I prefer. Paste the copied URL into the field. Then click on Create QR. Click on Download. You will see that the QR code is being generated. Once downloaded, click Save and then open the file. As you can see, we have successfully created a QR code for attendance. You can print the QR code or display it on a screen during class or an event. This allows everyone to scan the code using their phone. When they submit the form, their responses are automatically recorded. For better tracking, click the link to Sheets icon and then click Create. This allows you to sort, filter, and maintain attendance records easily. And that's it. You have successfully created a QR code to track attendance. Using QR codes makes attendance quick, accurate, and contactless. It's perfect for classrooms, training sessions, and events. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our next DelftStack tutorial videos.